What is going on, Meta Millionaires? Man, I am just so pissed off right now at the markets. You don't even understand. We're just going to get in and cover these damn numbers today because I'm just so irritated with this stock market, and I think there's a lot of bull crap going on. So, yes, I am pissed, and we're going to go over everything that's going on and explain why I'm pissed. So first, look, METATERRY is down another 5.2% today, and we are ending right here around $3.08. So yeah, we got hammered today. What else has got hammered today? That's right. One of our fellow colleagues, AMC, got hammered today as well. Down over 11% today. Are you starting to see the freaking trend? So, MMAT down, AMC down. What's GME doing? GME is down almost 4% today as well. So, a lot of the retail meme stocks, because MMAT is kind of being put in that same boat as AMC and GME. So all these stocks are getting hammered. So if the market is all red today, what stock do you think is doing good? And this is here is what really just pisses me off, I'm not gonna lie. How is Robinhood up 50% in one day? You gotta be freaking kidding me, guys. So just look at the 5-day chart of this bad boy, up over 90% in a declining market. Are you kidding me? How is Robinhood stock up 90% in a red, declining, fear-monger market? It's manipulation, guys. I'm telling you, the big institution, the big toads are out here screwing with our minds. That's what's going on. They are out here throwing all their money into Robinhood, and this evaluation is through the roof. It makes no sense. And it's crazy that they did, and I did see earlier today, they halted transactions for Robinhood, okay, for going up to the moon on some brokerages. But guess who didn't halt trading when I was looking at it? Robinhood, it said. Other brokerages has halted trading, but Robinhood did not halt their own trading on their own website for their own stock, but yet they did it for AMC. They're doing it, they did it to GME. So you're kind of seeing here the manipulation in the market, guys. So after going over all this, what is there for us to do? Really? Just hold and wait it out. That's all we can really do. I mean, you know, it is what it is. This going up like this, it's going to come down eventually. But you know what? It's just like all the big tech stocks. You know, Apple and all them, they were going high to the moon. It's just a matter of time for those big monies to rotate out of these large cap stocks and come down to the small caps. Now, this could go on for another 3 months, 6 months, a year. I don't know how long they're going to keep doing this to us, but it's very annoying and blows my mind how Robinhood stock is up over 90% in 5 days. That makes me just want to just quit the freaking stock market because it's a load of crap and the SEC ain't doing nothing. But anyway, you know I'm not going to quit the stock market because I love giving you guys the information on Meta, and that's all I can really do. It's out of my hands. Us retail investors right here proves it. We have no control of the stock market, and the SEC and the government just don't give a crap. They let the institutional people run it. All right, guys, so I'm here on the Fintel website to give you these numbers, and they do have yesterday on here, August the 3rd, of all of the short sale transactions for the last 7 days greater than $5,000. So you know what your boy did? I went in here, copied and pasted all of these numbers, as you can see here, tons of them. And I must say, it is more. If we go here and look at the spreadsheet, there is a total of, what is it? Yesterday, there was a total of 72 short sale transactions, and today, guys, there's 88. 88. So we got a lot more short sale transactions going on here, man. The short selling is happening. I'm telling you right now. There's a lot of short selling going on. So, as you can see here, we start up here. You got your dates, your times, your venues, your types, your shares, unit prices, and values. We go down here to the bottom and add up all these short sale transactions. I got a little extra bonus for you down here in some numbers as well. So, for August the 3rd, the total amount of shares shorted was 283,116 shares. If you go back to the video I did yesterday, you'll see these numbers right here. I took the total shares and the total dollar amount, from July 30th numbers, and I put them right here into this spreadsheet. So this was August 3rd. Right below I got July 30th. The total shorted shares for the July 30th was 229,744 shares. So in one day, there was a total of 53,372 more shares that were shorted. And now if you look at the total value, the dollar amount of shares that were shorted, you can see all these right here. What did I say it was, guys? 88 people shorted the stock yesterday, giving a grand total of $921,651.12. If we compare that to July the 30th, the total amount was $798,163.49. There is a total of $123,487.63 more value shorted dollars of MMAT shares. That's right. So over 53,000 shares more were shorted from July 30th through August 3rd, and over $123,000 worth of shares were shorted between July the 30th and August the 3rd. So this is the spreadsheet, guys. This is the update right here on this. Now, all right, guys, and I wanted to give you here, there is a new tab under the short interest that is fails to deliver, which is nice. They're trying to better the system, which I like. They got updates coming every single day. So let's just kind of cover here what this is. The values of total failed to deliver shares represents the aggregate net balance of shares that failed to be delivered as a particular settlement date. Fails to deliver is on a given day or cumulative number of all fails outstanding until that day, plus new fails that occur that day, less fails that settle that day. The figure is not daily amount of fails, but combined figure that includes both new fails on the reporting day as well as existing fails. In other words, these numbers reflect aggregated fails as a specific point in time and may have little or no relationship to yesterday's aggregate fails. Thus, it is important to note the age of the fails cannot be determined by looking at these numbers. If all the shares were delivered on a particular day, there would be no entry on the table. Update frequency. The SEC publishes daily data in the batches that were delivered twice monthly and lagged about 2 weeks. So, for example, the daily data for the month of March would arrive around mid-April. So if I'm understanding this correctly, what they're saying is, now I could be wrong, please comment down below if I'm misunderstanding it. But if I read that correctly, they're saying this quantity is a daily figure. This is not adding up every single day. So they're saying that people covered their shorts back through here. So that's what I'm a little confused on, I must say. I'm a little confused on this, but we're going to learn this together, guys. We're going to keep digging into this and learning. If we go now to the short interest, guys, there's not much update. It still says the short squeeze score is a 50.19. Not much new information, but I can give you the total combined short volume ratio for yesterday, August the 3rd, of 60.53. If you look today at August the 4th, they do have the FINRA short volume ratio at 55.37. And as always, we're waiting on that CBOE short volume number to come in to give us a combined short volume ratio number and combined total volume. But yesterday you can see there was 5.68 million shares that were on the short volume ratio. They do have the fails to deliver right here in the same tab. But I like that they're putting it in its own tab because I think they're trying to improve it here on the website. So I do like that. It's still saying here that it's 6.56%, but I think that's going to update here shortly, guys. And we're going to see, because it still says here the 41.10% short interest afloat. And when I was looking up here at the current buyers, no new buyers as of August the 4th. There was just a small position yesterday. It bought 325 shares, but hey, any buyer is good. If we look here at the sales, there was some pretty nice selling here actually. So there was 3 different companies that sold positions out. So, you know, it is what it is. People's going to sell out. So it says there's 28 institutional sellers, and on the buyers, there's a total of 57 right now, 28 open positions. And I did want to cover real quick, this Twitter page that someone commented and said, Terry, is the Torch Meta page closed down? Well, it looks like it is, because I had this one saved and I go back to Torch X Meta and it says the account does not exist. So I don't know what happened. Did they close it down? Did they get banned for something? I don't know what happened on this, guys. Real quick on MetaMaterials page themselves, they do have an update here where they're looking to hire someone for their accounting department in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. So they are hiring, and I did see some comments on Reddit where people's like, how you going to the NASDAQ and you don't have people to do the job? I can kind of understand that point, but it is what it is, guys. The company's public now. They're trying to do what they can do to get the best in the business to be a part of the job. Maybe they're just not putting any applicant in to accept the job. They want to make sure they get the best applicant they can get because they're caring about the future of this. So, guys, that is the updates I had. Like I said, I'm just truly upset and pissed off at all this craziness going on in the market. Robinhood up 90%, but AMC, GME, and MMAT is down. Maybe I could go and do a spreadsheet on AMC and GME, the shorted shares as well, and put that out there. If there are any AMC, GME fans, comment down below and I could put that in the next video. We can do a Google spreadsheet looking at the difference between how many shares is being shorted on them as well. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. You know what? I'm going to put this in here. There is a post out here on Reddit, and I think we just need to read it before we end the video, and we're going to end it on this. That's right. This gentleman here said, just a little words of encouragement. And I must say right here, this person, I had to put a forward up on that. I've said it before and I'll say it again. For anyone who has missed my first time, I've been through the GME Gamma squeeze. I've been through the AMC Gamma slightly short squeeze. I've been through the Bitcoin dark times and many more. I first want to say I'm not comparing MMAT to any of the previous mentioned. I do want to bring light to days, weeks, and months of bleeding portfolios. The market can make you a lot of money if you're patient. You can lose a lot as a punishment for not being patient. When you become a true investor, you learn to smile and be happy for periods like this of constant bleeding out. No pun intended. But it's true. When the prices are lowest, it's where the money is made. Everyone wishes they bought more when a stock runs, but so many are afraid to actually buy when the prices are red and the stock is bleeding. I was there for months at AMC at the Battle of 501, and there was no one but a few. Thought it could be anything as bears shouted, the movie industry is dead. 3 months later, those during those dark times, $5 saw their investment 15x. It's hard to keep brave when all your portfolio is doing is losing money, but most often that's not to spoils, to go to who are the strongest and their convictions. I'm not only holding, but I'm buying. Has gotten more aggressive. I like the stock. I must say right there, man, thank you, sir, for that post, because that is the truth right there, man. That is the truth. Those are some fantastic words of encouragement. And these bleeding markets are rough. Yes, guys, I'm getting destroyed as well. We're down, 5-10% every single day. We come up a couple, and then as soon as we come up, we go back down. So I understand, guys. I see the comments. Everyone's saying this is a scam. This is a fraud. I'm a fraud. I'm hired by Meta. George is hiring me. No, I'm not. I'm not hired by anybody. But if George wants to hire me, I will be more than glad to fill out an application and work for Meta. I would love to. So, George, if you ever see this, I am for hire. I do have banking experience. That's right. Someone did comment what I do. I could just say, yeah, I've been in the banking industry for 18 years, and I'll leave it at that. I don't have a problem saying that. If you follow me back in my Gold Nugget videos, you guys know I work in banking. That's what I've been doing, the financial industry. So I do have a little background in this whole financial thing and the mind games and stuff. So what a ride, guys. If you've been here this long, this is probably one of the longest videos I've put out in a while. So if you're still here, thank you for your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.